welcome to ICO reviews, and I'll be presenting to you FlipNPik. There is a all different ICO. Well, let me play your video, very short video, to explain what FlipNPik is all about. Please watch. So you can see that this whole ICO, the app will be able to assist to build a small business, local shops around every community, and you can see that, and people get rewarded. They get more. They get monetized for posting different local shop on the app, and people will be able to see it. They can write posts about it and they get rewarded. So it's going to be like a kind of a Google app where people can search for different shops around. They can get information about it and all the rest involved. Now let's scroll down the website. This is a beautiful website, I must admit. It's very beautiful. Well, the price is 12 cents for the token. Now let's see the token distribution. 425 million FMP, FlipNPik. ICO is 250 million with ICO, CO, and other private sales and other. You can see everything here. This is the roadmap. I encourage you to take your time to go through the roadmap. This is the team member, Henry Allen, the CEO, Richard Magan, Sergey Eloy. So these are the people behind it. Now you can see the advisors and the collaborators there. These are the collaborators, every one of them. Now let's do this. Let me show you the Telegram. They have 13,158 members in Telegram, and hopefully this number should surely increase. Let's check on their Twitter. They have 11,800 followers. That is huge. That is huge. Let's check them on ICO bench. They have 4.6 with 9 expert rating, 4.4 for ICO profile, 4.8 for team, 4.4 for vision, 4.7 for product. And the token is FMP, as I said. This is 10 euro, about 12 cents. The platform is Stellar. If you know Stellar, formerly Stellar Lumen, it's a coin on its own. It's a blockchain. So they are not building this on Ethereum blockchain. They are building it on Stellar, and they accept Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, and Dogecoin. They plan to raise 35 million euros, and the country they based on is France. If you are from US and Canada, you cannot participate in this ICO. It's not for you. Now let's go to their laser ranking. They are mostly ranked in India. Many visitors are checking in from India, from Russia, and from Ukraine. Let's check. Yep. Now 2017 they registered the website. November 2017, and it's going to expire 2018. Now, let me show you this. Let me show you this. There's something you will want to know about the team members. You want to see, are they Photoshop? Are these people real? Well, you're going to see the video that shows every one of them. So let me start from here. You can see each member of them. Each member is
It's finally an ICO that makes sense.
It's time to buy local.
Buying local will make you feel good.
Local is all about passion and authenticity.
It's time to put ethics into social media.
It rewards users for their positive action.
It will enhance your local economy.
We think global, but act local.
It's the new cool kid on the block.
The team behind it is awesome.
It's Flip and Epic.
And I finally know where to bring my date.
I love FlipNPik.
I love FlipNPik.
I love FlipNPik.
Ladies and gentlemen, so it's good to think global and it's good to act local. Let's support the SME in our locality. With FlipNPik, we'll be able to support different local shops and we'll get monetized for it. We'll get reward for doing that. So these ICOs, I believe, is real. This is not a scam. This is a real ICO, and I believe they have something unique to add to the economy of every different country you can think of. They are supporting the blockchain space. I'm going to leave the referral link down below. Just click on it and sign up for FlipNPik. Please, before you go, please just click on the subscriber button now. Please just subscribe. Bam! And that is all. And thank you very much. And don't forget to like my video and turn on the notification to get more videos from me. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.